It would appear that Pepe Unchained is getting ready to achieve all-time high pricing as it is beginning to experience a resurgence in popularity. Today, we are going to talk about Pepe Unchained meme coin, and we have been covering this particular project from the very beginning, starting with its early debut when it was simply a pre-sale project, and ever since then, it has gone on to accomplish some pretty amazing things. Let's talk about it. It started out, and then it went on a wild run, reaching a point when it was sitting at 6 cents, and then it started to pull back down. It was wonderful for those who participated in the pre-sale, and once again, they are the individuals who probably eat at the top, getting their earnings. However, it appears that this project is reviving and making a second leg comeback, and I am thrilled to announce it here first. Before I go any further, I would like to ask you something. If you haven't already, please make sure that you click the subscribe button that is located below. I have another pre-sale project for you, and it's another Pepe Sao meme coin. If you wish you could lock into the Pepe Unchained pre-sale, then you should not miss out on this opportunity. He goes by the name Wall Street PEPE. It is a token issued by Wall Street PEPE. In order to pull everything together, we will simply take advantage of this huge Pepe narrative meta that has been going completely insane and transforms it into the realm of Wall Street bets. Getting admission to an alpha group where they will have trading calls and where they will reward each other for sharing their tweets is the goal of this entire endeavor. To reiterate, it is a meme coin that is focused on the community rather than the usefulness, and it appears that it is going to do some weird things. Already, they have raised almost to $39 million in markup, and if you are familiar with the way that this pre-select works, you can be sure that this one is going to go completely nuts. Raising this much money in such a short amount of time can only signify exponential growth, and there is a possibility that the chart will wind up looking like this. In any case, at least the first part isn't that correct. Perhaps not as stupid as you think. On the other hand, regardless of whether you arrive early or not, you will most likely sell on top and make a substantial amount of money. You are not on financial advice. But if you are interested in purchasing Wall Street PEPE, you can do so by clicking on the link provided in the description below. If you have watched any of our videos in the past, you will know that we were thoroughly covering Wall Street and Pepe Unchained. We went through some unfathomable experiences. It would be a good idea for you to pack a backpack. But let's get back to Pepe Unchained, guys. It's clear that Twitter has been seeing explosive growth. Over 8,800 people are following this account. As far as we can tell, Pepe was not performing live. They went live on December 10th, and ever since then they have been kind of going nuts. In the not-too-distant future, Pepe will be unveiling some very exciting news to you. By no means is he joking around. Okay, and this was posted 12 hours ago, so it appears that there will be a significant update coming at any moment now. This year has been absolutely incredible for Pepe. Happy 2025, the year of complete dominance. In addition, it appears that they are running a major campaign with Mexi to commemorate the advent of the year 2025. In this campaign, Mexi meme coin and gift packs with a value of $6,000 are given away. I think it's quite cool. You could say that this year is like having Christmas twice. Absolutely fantastic. Their presence on social media is unquestionably expanding. This is completely ridiculous. They are genuinely contributing to the growth of our project and doing what they do best. The fact that we are witnessing a second leg is, in my opinion, primarily due to this. As a general rule, when a project dumps like this, it is considered to be over and over with. Nevertheless, the charts are showing signs of becoming bullish once again. We can see that we have gained ground on the week, that we have gained about 14% on the day, and that the community is highly bullish. Please be reminded that the introduction of this project has been less than a month. If someone is complaining about this project not moving forward yet, or that there is a major scam going on, they are not looking at the inevitable. The charts for Pepu are identical to those of all the most popular meme coins at this point in time. Let's take a look at the top 4 meme coins such as SHIB, PEP, and Doge. that have been in circulation for the first 90 days, and we are able to witness PEP. The same thing happens when we see Doge. Same thing happens when we see Shiba Inu. We see Bonk, and all is the same. It would appear that this is a fairly typical cycle for meme currencies. Again, it did dump hard and it was frightening because it was a new meme coin, but the recovery is what is making it appear bullish again, isn't it? And we can see that even on the month, it's kind of held between, so it's simply smart cap, seeing that it has gained 10% and that it has maintained its smart cap position at 35. This is something that we can see within the range of, I would guess, somewhere around 40. And yes, 40 started holding. At the moment, it has been bouncing between the numbers 40 and 35. There is a significant amount of resistance at the bottom, and we can only hope that it will begin to peak very soon. If you would like to see additional updates regarding Pepe Unchained, please let me know in the comment area below. The reason for this is that we covered this one back when it was still at the pre-sale stage. When it comes to the market as a whole, we are witnessing some fascinating developments. On the market, we are observing a slight increase in growth. The volume, on the other hand, is lower. Regarding the fear and greed index, we are still at the neutral level of 51. Is that correct? When someone goes from being extremely greedy to being neutral, this is the same as when someone goes from being greedy to being afraid, isn't it? In terms of the markets, it was a significant movement and shift. In spite of this, I believe that the first quarter is going to be absolutely tremendous for both cryptocurrency and meme currencies. Be sure to stay tuned for additional bullish news on cryptocurrencies. If you are a fan of meme coins, we have a great deal more content planned for release.